this video, I'll show you how to create OneWin account. So to get started, go ahead and head over into onewin.com, and in here, make sure that you have actually access to the website. You can also access their application. Now from here, go ahead and hit on that register button at the top right corner of your screen, and that will redirect you into the register section. So in here, you can go ahead and create an account using their quick option, which will require you to select your currency, your entry code, provide your email, and provide a password for your account. And also register for an account on OneWin using your social media platforms, such as your Google account, Telegram account, and other social media accounts available to you. If you want to use the quick option that will only require you to provide your mobile number and email, just go ahead and enter your mobile number into this section, your email, and create a password. After that, OneWin will send an OTP or a verification code into your mobile number to confirm that it is your mobile number. And after that, you need to verify your email to actually be able to cash out money from OneWin. And that is how you can basically create an account on OneWin. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.